Hello, it's Christopher back with another video from Sapphire Point Solutions. You know, one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, okay, you're this expert in computer security. How exactly do I keep myself safe online? And while there's no exact way to be 100% certain, there's a very good way that I love to recommend to my clients, and it's called a virtual private network, or VPN for short. Now you might say, what the heck is a VPN and why do I need one? It just sounds like more ways for people to get me to spend money. And when you're online, usually you have what's called an IP address, which can be likened to a mailing address. It's a unique identifier specific to you and your computer. And this is the way you get targeted advertisements when you go from YouTube to Facebook, Amazon, lots of different websites. You see those same products showing up over and over again. It's one of the ways that they can keep an eye on you. What a VPN does is it helps to make sure that nefarious individuals, such as cyber criminals, can't track where you are, can't track what you're doing online, can't track where you've been, what products you might be interested in, and more importantly, it helps to protect your credit card information, which is a big one. It encrypts your credit card information from your computer to the vendor that you're buying from, or the merchant that you're buying from, which is very important. Now, there are a lot of VPNs out there, and they all claim to be the best. I personally prefer a paid VPN. They're usually just a couple of dollars a month. There are three very reputable ones that I love to work with: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. I personally use NordVPN. I've been using it for several years now. It's about $2 or $3 a month, and I've never had a single problem with it, ever had a single problem connecting. They make sure to push new features regularly and make sure to keep me safe online. There are a couple that provide on the lower end and a couple on the higher end. They each have their own unique services and features that they offer, but I really like Nord because it can go across not only my mobile devices, but my laptops, my desktops, all of my devices, and it works seamlessly. I really appreciate that. You know, when there are so many problems with identity theft online, for example, in 2019 to 2020 alone, the Federal Trade Commission caught 1.4 million identity thefts that happened online. This is a really cheap and good way to make sure that you don't have that happen to you. Like I said, it's not a guarantee, but it's a really great way of making that happen. It's something that Sapphire Point Solutions can help you out with. I'd love to help you understand more about them and understand more about online security and computer security. If you'd like, give me a call at 321-222-0990, and I'd be glad to talk it over with you. Thanks. See you next week.